Goodnight, Sura, published by Igloo Books. Sura couldn't wait to snuggle up in bed for the first time in her brand new bedroom. She had chosen all the colors and put up her favorite pictures on the wall. Everything was just right. She was about to close her eyes and fall asleep when she heard footsteps outside the door. Then her little sister Soy appeared. "Can we have a sleepover?" "No, you're not allowed in my new room." With her bedroom all to herself again, Sura settled back under the covers. She hadn't even closed her eyes when she heard another noise. "Go away, Soy!" But this time, Soy wasn't there. Sura was all alone. Then she heard a loud creak, and a long, dark shadow appeared on the wall. "Ah! A monster!" She leaped out of the bed and ran downstairs as fast as she could. "Mom, Dad, there's a monster in my room!" Click went the flashlight, and they searched Sura's room for signs of spooky monsters. But all they could find was a pile of toys in the corner and the wind whistling outside. "See, there's no such thing as monsters. Get into bed and try to go to sleep." But she couldn't. Sura was still scared, so she tiptoed down to Soy's room and whispered, "Can we have a sleepover?" The sisters giggled and they made a cozy den together in Sura's room. It was perfect for keeping out monsters. "Good night, Soy. It's so much fun spending the first night in my new room with you." The end.